Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Clapper app. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply open your Play Store or App Store, then search for Clapper. It's just like other social media applications like TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. Now, once you download it, open it, and here you will find three categories. You have the old lives, shops, and radios. You can also click on this plus sign in order to capture a video, go live, or go create a radio. So when you click on radio, it will ask you to give it the access for your microphone. And if you are asking for live, it will ask to give it the access to your camera. So you just have to give it the permission, then click on start. And now when you go and open your profile on the bottom right side, here you will find on the top left side the invite button. In the middle, you will find the groups. It will show you here all the groups that you are inside it. And here on the top right side, you will have these three horizontal lines. When you click on it, it will show you the settings. But now let me show you another thing. Click on creator space. It will jump you directly to this page. When you click on referral program right here, it will jump you directly to this page. Now you can simply click on invite now, and it will invite people by using this link right here. When anyone try to sign up or create an account on Clapper using your own invite link, this will make you and your friends earn some perks in the application. And now when you go back to creator space, then click on earn up to 30% live bonus. It will show you here how much will you get from each live and what are the bonuses that you can actually have. Now, when you go back to creator space, then click on my fam. It will show you here all the tiers that you can actually make for your own subscription and create different tiers of subscriptions and give people different perks according to which tier they are in. And you can also set a specific price for each tier. You can also go back to creator space and click on my groups. It will show you here all the groups that you have. You can also click on open if you have a group, or you can simply click on this plus sign in order to create a new group. And here in the monetize section, you will find another option called my shop. You can open it and add any item that you want to sell on your own shop on Clapper. And down below right here in the support section, when you click on verification, it will show you all the requirements in order to get the creator verification. You'll have to get at least 3K followers and one video over 3,000 views and have at least 7 videos created in the last 30 days. Now let's go back to settings. Here you can simply click on Clapper coins. These are the coins that you'll actually pay for if you are trying to buy some gems and you want to give them to a specific content creator, or other followers may actually buy these coins in order to get gems with it, then give it to you. You can also go back to settings and click on manage account if you want to change your email, phone number, shipping address, or simply delete account by clicking on delete accounts right here. So basically, this application is just like other social media applications. You can chat with it, upload videos, posts, reels, and go live by using this application. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.